Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Kia Niro windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Gather your new wiper blades, typically a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and an 18-inch blade for the passenger's side. You'll also want a soft cloth or towel to protect your windshield. This simple task can be completed in under 10 minutes with just a few basic steps. Once the wiper arm is lifted, you'll see a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly. Then, slide the old blade down and away from the J-hook on the arm. It should detach with a gentle pull. Remember to always support the wiper arm, as letting it fall back can crack your windshield. Take your time with this step. Now, take your new wiper blade. Align the J-hook of the wiper arm with the connector on the new blade. Slide the blade upwards onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Repeat this process for both the driver's and passenger's side blades, ensuring correct sizes are used. After installing both new blades, gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Before driving, activate your wipers with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. Look for any streaks or missed spots. Properly functioning wipers are crucial for safe driving, especially in adverse weather conditions. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.